Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make pancakes. So the first thing you need to do is add in about a third cup of sugar, not too much, just as much as you want in your pancakes. Then you're going to add in the same amount of oil or butter, whatever you like. After you finish adding in all the oil, you're going to just mix everything up till it's kind of dissolved. Then you're going to add in 1 egg and mix it up with the sugar and oil. Then the same amount of oil and sugar you added in, you're going to put that much milk and mix it up once again. Now you're going to add in half a cup of flour. All-purpose flour will work the best. Now you're going to mix up everything together, and in a minute I'll be adding in about a pinch of baking powder and baking soda. Don't add in too much or it's going to be literally sour, so be careful. As you just saw there, I added in a little bit more flour just because it was too thin, and I'll show you guys how it should look when you have the right texture of pancake mix. So this is how the pancake mix should look. It's like thin and not too runny. Now you're gonna add it into a pot or pan, whatever you have, with some butter in it, and make sure that your pot's on medium and not too hot, or it's gonna burn. Now that you see bubbles around the corners, you're gonna flip it, and it's gonna be like golden brown. And wait like 10 seconds after it's been in there. And then yeah, you're pretty much done. Put it in a plate, add some strawberries, some syrup, however you like it. This is really delicious. Make sure you make it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.